Want to save a photo from Snapchat to your phone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save photos and videos from Snapchat to your camera roll. Now let's get started. To save photos and videos from Snapchat to your camera roll, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon. Select My App. Then tap Memories. Tap Save button. Then select either Memories and Camera Roll or just Camera Roll. Once you've set this up, when you tap the Save button at the bottom of the camera window after taking a photo or video in the Snapchat app, it will save directly to your camera roll on your device. That's all it takes to save photos and videos from Snapchat to your camera roll. Want to learn more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.